You're adopted.
What's that so hard?
Well, why is it?
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't.
Look, she's happy.
Sure.